So yeah, just the importance of regular maintenance. We use the analogy of the garden or your kitchen. You know, you wash your dishes as you're going. It's so much easier than washing once a week or something. You know?
What psycho's washing their dishes once a week?
It's pretty loud,
Ninja,
I'm
is that
sure,
you?
mate. G'day guys, got Ninja here and Jace on the table, our magnificent model.
Oh, thanks, Dinge.
We're just going to give him a bit of a footy rub just on his legs, on the hamstrings in particular, and yeah, just show you what that's like when you're getting ready for your game, or you're just after a run, different things like that, or yeah, just as part of your maintenance. So if you're coming in for maintenance treatment, once we've fixed you and we've got a good relationship, you want to come and see us once a month or something like that, then you can kind of not have to go through the hardcore work where the pain where we're trying to really get you the stuck stuff to shift. We can kind of do maintenance. It's sort of like really good analogies, like a garden. You know, you don't do any gardening for a year, like Jace.
Yeah. Oh, don't tell me. Ninja, I need you to come down and fix my garden.
Your backyard gets pretty untidy.
Nah, mine's the driveway, Ninja.
Your driveway's untidy.
I did it the other week, but they've still got half to go.
Yeah.
I might need you to come down and just do a full deep clean for me.
I'm a bit of an expert.
It's just weeding, really. I
just noticed that shouldn't have this on camera, should I? I was hard brooming my deck with a really stiff broom and fucking trying to get all the excess dirt and loose paint and stuff like that.
What have you got on camera, Ninja?
Oh, just a blister from the broom, man. I should have a Band-Aid on that, but oh well. It's all good. So, just sort of trying to warm things up just with my palms for a start.
Ooh. Still a bit in there for a footy rub.
Yeah. Yeah, we don't want to waste your time coming in.
That's right. We're not here to mess around, are we?
There was a few analogies we used in this situation,
analogies.
but we'll keep them to ourselves.
Yeah, that's right. Maybe if they come and see us in person, we'll tell them what they are.
Yeah, they'll recognise how funny we are.
Yeah. That's
how funny we think we are.
Someone's got to think we're funny, don't they?
Yeah, we'll be laughing at our own jokes.
Yeah. Comedians.
We're all comedians. Yeah.
Oh. What would your go-to material be, Ninja?
Just sort of, I suppose this bit of Aussie stuff, you know, a bit of Chopper quotes, maybe Simpsons quotes. They're
quotes.
Good too. Yeah. Or just the stuff we make up. I think that's pretty good too.
Yeah, just our conversations.
Yeah.
I think mine would just be go-to, just like hanging shit on people. Like, just, you know, where you've got mates and your family or something, they've got it funny, like, just, I don't know, things that you know, or you have on your mates and stuff like that. So
funny stories.
I'd probably just be reeling off a few about you, mate.
Yeah, you get into me.
You'd be my comedy actor. You'd be like, so I know this bloke, and
I'm a constant source of comedy for you, aren't I? Yeah.
Not always just what you say, but sometimes in your actions and.
Yeah, just stuff just happens, doesn't it? Sometimes you just cannot predict it. But yeah, you just sort of. Yeah,
it's a good time.
To us.
It's good for a giggle.
Yeah. That's life, isn't it? You just don't know what's coming around the corner. You can't predict it.
No, that's right.
The more unpredictable, the more funny it is, I reckon.
For sure.
It's going to go a little bit of tendons down the bottom, inside tendon. The thumbs into that, nice and slow and deep. A bit through this outside one.
Oh, a bit more out there.
Beautiful day here in Melbourne, eh?
It is, isn't it?
Yeah.
Ripper.
We're trying to get a bit of sunlight on Jason's back.
Why is that, Ninja?
He's the main attraction of our photo shoot.
You reckon? I think it was Das was the main attraction.
No one signed up to see the old man.
Right, you're underselling yourself. I reckon there'll be plenty sign up for you.
What's the male equivalent of a cougar?
An
old bear.
An old bear.
I don't know.
Sure, there's something better than that.
I'll go with some sort of cat.
The old silver. Oh, you're not
silver fox.
Silver fox.
If I grew my
your locks out.
My locks out. No, still. The beard's a bit silver, but the...
Oh, mate, the beard's very salt and peppery.
It is, isn't it? It's hardly there anymore. It's just so
salty.
great.
It's just
salty.
It's just all salt.
Yeah, all my
the peppers
tears are
are
in
fading
it.
quick. Oh.
So yeah, just the importance of regular maintenance. Yeah, it's so much easier if you do things regularly. Make it a habit.
Oh.
You clean things regularly. You know, we use the analogy of the garden or your kitchen. You know, you wash your dishes as you're going. It's so much easier than washing once a week or something. You know?
What psycho's washing their dishes once a week?
There's people out there, I'm
Is that
sure,
you?
mate.
Is that you?
Oh, I think there's people that don't even actually own dishes and.
They just do the old throwaways.
Yeah. Just the microwave meals and the Uber Eats or whatever they are.
Did you ever live like that, Ninja?
Mate, no, never.
Never?
No, well, I suppose when you're just eating fruit and salad and that sort of stuff, you don't need too much anyway. You just need a knife and
That's it.
just the lettuce leaf.
Are your plates?
There your plate, yeah. You eat your plate. So,
that saves on a lot of dishes.
Saves on the
doesn't it?
washing up, man. So smart. Don't cook.
I used to be a minimalist operator back
Yeah.
when I lived with Aaron in the day, and
Yeah.
I think he still had a few jokes about it.
Oh, he always loves talking about you making your coffee in the morning. Filling it to the. You had a meniscus over the top, and you had to. You slurped it off when it was still on the bench, so you wouldn't spill it. When you picked her
fill
up.
it right to the brim, and then you got to sip the first bit out before you even pick it up.
Yeah, it's fucking smart. You get more.
Maximising
It's
the
bang
amount-
for buck,
That's all right.
isn't it?
Nothing worse than a cafe that gives you a half-full coffee.
It's the tide's out, mate. What are you doing?
Shocking.
Yeah, you wouldn't pay for that.
Nah, but I had the same plate and the same bowl that I used for 3 years.
Yeah.
Minimalist.
You're not, wasting resources, are you, mate?
Nah, that's right. Saving the planet, Ninja, really.
Saving the planet. Well, we're going to put it down to you, aren't they?
Yeah, that's right. That one sort of plasticky, what are those, those camping type of plates that you get?
You had one of them, didn't
Yeah,
you?
that was pretty much what I was rolling with for 3 or 4 years. And then then one of my other housemates intentionally broke it, so I had to buy a normal plate.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
What a bastard.
I know.
That's so disrespectful, isn't it?
Yeah, my one plate.
Yeah, vandalised. That's 100% of your plates, isn't it? Done.
I was spewing.
Fuck. Did you get new house? That's why you moved out, isn't it?
No.
Ah, fuck this. I'm out of there.
Yeah.
Disrespect my bowls and my plate.
That's right.
Yeah. Bit through the tannin here. You can kind of see that for me, this is kind of quick. It's like a snail moving, but it's still quick for the fascial release stuff. And when you're receiving it, it doesn't feel like it's super slow or anything, really, does it? It just feels like you're working through things.
Yeah.
Yeah.
More like a flushing type stroke rather than really pinning and holding and
Yeah. So yeah, it's so important to get the right amount of wax on the body. So Jake's got a few bit of hairy legs, but got to get it right.
Maybe not soon, Nige. They might be trimmed up.
Going to trim them up, are you?
No,
Ooh, that'll be.
I don't think so.
Mate, come on.
I was just throwing it out there to get you excited.
Come on.
You reckon do it?
Yeah.
I've done it once in my life, and it was
I
last
know.
time.
You had some good reels when you did it.
To
pull them out.
Are you going to pull out a couple of good reels again?
Yeah, I'll go and fight some crocodiles or something.
Find the
this year.
sander suit again?
Oh, get Barry.
Barry?
No, I'm not going to be in anything. We'll get Barry and
No, don't you remember when we
Steve Irwin's cousin to
when
come?
we went on our promotion tour in the city? There was that elderly lady that preferred you without the hair.
Yeah, took the wig off.
She
and
took
the
the wig
sunnies
off and said, "Yeah, don't worry about the hair."
I don't think she understood it was just an act.
No, but
She thought I was being.
She definitely preferred you with with the balding look.
The old blonde mullet sort of acquired taste, isn't it?
Yeah.
For comedy purposes.
I think you
it's
should bring
really
back
good.
the old dark curly mullet. That's what you used to rock. Maybe we could find one of them.
If only I could, I'd get a rug sewn on the top. What do you reckon?
That'd be brilliant.
Yeah. All right. Anyway, that was like a 10, 12-minute footy rub just on the hamstrings.
Oh,
and,
thanks, Dinge.
And if you're a runner, if you're, this is what
Sporting
you need.
player.
Sporting player, yeah, basketball, footy, whatever you play, you know. Use your legs, get your hammies worked on. Save your injuries, help you recover, help your performance, save those weeds building up. Done.
Done.